Each year, Steelix invites masters and PhD students from partner universities across the world, working in the fields of advanced steel processing techniques and advanced steel properties, to attend a 2-week summer colloquium in Sweden. Participants get a unique opportunity to meet renowned research and innovation teams from leading Swedish companies and universities specializing in advanced steels. The intensive program includes knowledge exchange, industrial visits, and social activities. Participants also get a special insight into living and working in Sweden, and a great opportunity to build a very valuable professional and personal network.
Well, for us, of course, the summer school is spot on within the technology area that we are in, and steel design and steel manufacturing. And it's crucial for us to be updated and also to build on our networks on a global level in this field.
The reason is that at SECO we are focusing a lot on research and we have a lot of international contacts and collaborations. So we are always open for new collaborations and to get in contact with people we are not usually in contact with. And with this school we are getting in contact with a lot of students and researchers in other universities than the usual universities we have in contact with.
They will keep the information and they will bring it to their home universities, and that will be a part of our marketing process, more or less. And we really think our technology is interesting for a lot of people, since it's more or less worldwide unique.
It was an amazing experience. We visited many companies like ABB, Sandvik, Seco Tools.
It's been outstanding, and I've had a lot of learning, and I had a lot of good time, met a lot of people.
The Colloquium showcases Sweden's leading companies and universities, contributes to building strategic research alliances and strengthening relations with leading partner universities worldwide, and to the building of the global research network, Young Global Center of Excellence in Advanced Steel.
It's a really good way to have a clear picture of the future, and it's bright.